Here's how to embed a custom HTML in Unbounce. So right here in Unbounce website, you just need to go under all pages, just go to one of the landing pages that you have created and click edit to be redirected to the classic builder of Unbounce. So after getting in the classic Unbounce builder, right here on the left side, you can see all of the widgets that you can add, and you just need to find the place where you want to add your custom HTML. So let's say we want to add our custom HTML right here. So again, go to the page widget right here and find custom HTML, and you just drag it and drop it, right? Whatever you want. So for example, right here, so after I release it, this window will appear, and right now you just need to enter your HTML code that you want to embed. So I already have an HTML code, so I'm just going to paste my code right here. So this is my code right there. After putting your HTML code, you just need to click Save Code. And as you can see, the HTML is now embedded right here. So this is the embed data or embed HTML code right here. So you just need to click Save. And after clicking Save, just click Republish and you're done. And that's it. And that's how to embed custom HTML in Unbounce.